Start this exercise in standing, facing away from a wall. Place your pelvis against the wall for support. Perform forward bend to flex your lower spine to one side and hold this position. Return to a neutral spinal alignment and repeat these stretch positions to perform this mobility exercise. As you repeat these movements, increase the range if pain and stiffness allows. Ensure you keep your knee angle stable as you perform the forward bend movements. When performed correctly, you should feel a gentle stretch through your lower spine.